Hi Arinas, welcome to my page. Today I'll be teaching you the chorus part of Lisa's New Woman. Keep in mind that this video is mirrored, so my right is your right and my left is your left. So let's get started. Now I'll show you the first 4 counts. You can just watch and then we'll learn everything together step by step. So 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So we are starting facing our body to the left side, and first we're gonna learn the arms, and they go the right hand, pull back, and your body is facing to the front. So 7, 8, and then your left hand goes like left, right, left, and right hand goes like right, left, right. So when you do this moves with your hands, the first move is a little bit smaller, 1 and 2. The second time, open it wider, okay? For your legs, we're starting facing to the left, and on 8 count, you're gonna step on your toe and then turn to the front. After that, make a little step and raise your left heel too, and then open slightly your knees, then close and open wider. So it goes 1 and 2. And the same move we go from your left leg. 3 and 4. Now let's try everything together. So 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. The next 4 counts go like 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So for your arms, we finish like this, and then prepare your hands to put them to your thighs and just slowly move them up to your stomach. Then prepare your hands again to go to the position like this. So your right hand on your hip and left hand in front of your forehead. So 5 and 6 and 7, 8. For your legs, we're gonna do step to the right, step to the back, close your feet together, and go diagonally to the left. Lift up your leg to your knee, and then step with your hip and hip. Rotate your hips in a circular motion. 1 and 2. Let's try again. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Don't forget to tilt your head to the right when you're doing this move. Let's try hands and legs together from here. 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Now let's review everything from the beginning, the whole 8 count. So 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. We are done with the first 8 count. Let's proceed to the next one. So the next 4 counts go like this. We finished in this position. So 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for your head and your hands, we go hop like this, tilt to the left, and then face your hands to each other on your head, and then go a big circle with your head and tilt it back. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then your hands go like and 4. So on and, your hand is behind your elbow and your left hand facing to the front and looking up. Okay, and then on the 4, we go like this. Just hold your hands together. And then for your legs, we do one more big circle with your hips. 1, 2, 3, and then on and 2, we close our feet together, and 4. So here, you just sit on your left hip and your right knee is facing to the right. Just like so. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's try hands and legs together. So 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. The next 4 counts go like 5, 6, 7, 8. For your hands, we go like 5, 6. So here, it might be a little bit challenging, but you can start practicing like going inside and out, inside and out, inside and out. And then slowly raise your right hand up and practice just like so. Okay, so now it should be easier. So 4, 5, 6, and then on 7 you put your left hand to the waist, and with your right hand you do waves under your chin. 7, 8. And with the legs it's easy. We finished in this position. So we go step, close, step, close. So when you make a step to the right on 5 count, 5, you raise your hip a little bit and then close. Then step on 7 and raise your hip and close. Okay, so it goes 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try hands and legs together. We finish in this position. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's review the whole second 8 count, and we'll be the halfway there. So remember this move. We finished the first 8 count here. So we go 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job.
Let's review the first part from the very beginning.
7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of this preview that you can watch here on YouTube. If you want to get access to the full tutorial and practice with slow counts, slow music and fast music all in one video, just follow the link down below where you can check my website and get the access to the full video. Hope you will choose to learn with me. I'm really happy that you watched this preview. So see you in the next one. Bye!